Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking on Zigbee switches, and we'll also show you how to connect your Zigbee Wi-Fi gateway, that you can link your Zigbee switch to it. Last time we spoke about Wi-Fi switches. If you have not watched that video, here is the link. Here we have our switch, a Zigbee switch. The essence of using this Zigbee switch is for larger homes. When you are going into full home automation, and the essence you need the Zigbee switch is for you to automate your home with switches, because when your home is large, like more than 2 bedrooms. In fact, you can even choose to use for 1 bedroom, depends on your purchasing power. So if you are using the Zigbee switch, the advantage is this: when they are connected to the hub, all Zigbee switch needs a hub for it to be connected to your app. It is either you use a hub where you have your control panel, or you use a gateway, Zigbee gateway. So when they are connected together, they act as repeaters. They are connected to each other, and even when the network is down, you can actually use your control panel, which has inbuilt hub, to control all your Zigbee devices. Then another good part of using Zigbee switches compared to our Wi-Fi switch, sometimes your router might be crowded and it might not even accept other Wi-Fi devices again. So for you to use a good number of switches, you need to go for Zigbee switch for large homes. So this particular Zigbee switch, take a look at the specification. For the Wi-Fi switch, you see a Wi-Fi sign. Sometimes you see the Wi-Fi is written on the back here, but if you look at this specification, you see the maximum load ampage is 20 amps. That means you want to know the maximum capacity of this switch, you have to multiply by the 20 amps by the 220, which we usually use from our grid. This is the maximum capacity of the switch. So whatever load you are connecting to, you have to factor in the current rating of the switch. This particular device is the Wi-Fi smart gateway. Just like I said, you cannot pair your device directly with the app, whether with the Tuya app or with the smart light, whenever you are using your Zigbee switch. So you need either a Zigbee hub or a smart gateway for it. What I'm holding now is the Wi-Fi smart gateway, very small like this. So actually the Wi-Fi gateway has a cord 5 volts from an adapter. You can use your phone charger or any USB power supply that is 5 volts. You first of all connect the 5 volt to it. If you look at the side there, you see a button. You have to hold the button to put it into pairing mode, compatible with Wi-Fi. That is why it's called Wi-Fi smart gateway. You first of all add this gateway to your smart light, then to give you access to the Zigbee switch. All you need to do after connecting your Wi-Fi gateway to your smart light, you can connect your Zigbee switch via this gateway. So, and this gateway can take up to 100 devices. This is the point where we will show you how the switch is connected to your smart light app or your Tuya app. For example, you can see this is your Zigbee switch, and this is the light connected to your switch. Then we have our Wi-Fi smart gateway here. We will go into pairing the gateway, then link our Zigbee switch to our gateway via our app. First of all, you have to plug the 5 volt power supply to the port. As you can see, it will come on automatically. There's no switch for turning it off or turning it on. The process of adding it, just like I said before, you have to put it into pairing mode by pressing this black button for a while. When you open your app, either Tuya app or Smart Life app, for this I'm using Smart Life app. Whenever you want to add a new device, always make sure your Bluetooth is on. The essence of turning on your Bluetooth is to allow connection with ease, especially when you are using Wi-Fi devices. When you want to add any device, all you need to do is to look by your top right side. You see a plus sign there, click on it, then you see add device. Then you put, I told you before, you have to put this thing on pairing mode. Immediately put it, it will pop up on the app. As you can see on the app, you see wireless multi-mode gateway that's pop up. All you need to do is to click on it. Then your Wi-Fi, you have to enter the password of your router. I'm going to enter the password of this our network. After entering the password, just press enter. Then you wait for the connection. You see a notification that the device is added successfully. Just press done and wait for the interface. As you can see, the device is now showing on our app. So for you to add the Zigbee switch, you can see the Zigbee switch. The number of Zigbee switch here is 0, so no device is added yet. So first of all, you have to put your switch into pairing mode through. Doing that, you press the soft touch and hold it down for a while to enter pairing mode. You can see it has popped up. Your Zigbee switch 1 gang is here. So you press next and see added successfully. Then click on done. Now we have successfully added our Zigbee switch here 1 gang. You can see the icon. So right now you can use the app to turn on the switch or off the switch. You can do it manually from the switch, and you can also do it wirelessly from your phone. So let's have a test. You can see it now. The light is on. It's off. It's on. It's off. So if you want to schedule the switch to come on or off at a particular point in time, is see the same thing we demonstrated with our Wi-Fi switches. If you haven't seen the video, you can click on the link. For more content on smart home automation, do it to hit this subscribe button.